Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp theme. Now you can either use your light mode or dark mode on WhatsApp, whichever one you want. I'm going to show you guys how to switch between the theme on WhatsApp. So you click on the WhatsApp application. On the top right hand area you click the three dotted icon, then you go over to the settings area, and now you are going to see where it says chat. Click on chat, and then from here you can actually see where it says theme. Now you can click on the theme, and then you can either choose light or dark mode. On default is set to your system default, so if the system is using a dark mode, it's going to be showing dark, or if the system is light, it's going to be light. So I'm going to change this to dark and then click OK to confirm, and now you can see it's on dark mode. So this is how to switch between dark mode and light mode on your device, and it's also known as your WhatsApp theme. And you can also decide to change your chat color or your chat images right here also. This is also on your theme settings. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to smash like. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.